Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Adi's Fun World. So today we'll do the experiment of a presence of starch in a food item. So the items we need are test tube, distilled water, iodine solution, food sample. This is potato I took for the food sample. Test tube holder, dropper, and Bunsen burner. So first, let's take some of the food sample and let's crush it in the test tube. Okay, no, so now let's put distilled water in this. Now let's heat it up for 1 minute. Okay, so now it's heated up and let's add some iodine solution to it after it cools down for some time. It has cooled down. So let's add some iodine solution to it, to the test tube. It has turned bluish blackish. So this tests the presence of starch in a food item. Thank you.